What's the meaning of butcher? Butcher. Butcher.
Butcher. Butcher. The term butcher refers to a person who is engaged in the meat industry and involved in the preparation and sale of meat products. A butcher can specialize in specific types of meat, such as beef, pork, lamb, or poultry, and is responsible for cutting, trimming, and packaging the meat for sale. It is a physically demanding job that requires specialized knowledge of anatomy, knife skills, and food safety regulations. The end result of a butcher's work is high-quality meat products that are safe to consume and pleasing to the eye. Good butchers are highly valued for their expertise and attention to detail.